Hey everybody, welcome back to the Daingeon. On today's episode, we're going to review another screen from Severtson Screens, so stick around. All right everybody, thanks again for joining me here on the Daingeon, and hit that like and subscribe below if you're interested in seeing more content. Yes, again, on today's episode, we're going to review another screen from Severtson Screens. They've been nice enough to send me a bunch of material to test out, so I'm going to make several videos reviewing the products that they have for your home theater. This is a high contrast gray screen from Severtson Screens. The best part about this is for those of you with ambient light in your home theater or viewing area, this allows you to keep some very good black levels and contrast with some of the lights on. So stick around, watch the video, and let's get going. Just like my videos before, lay the material on the ground, roll it out across the frame. Once you roll out the material, you'll add the connecting rods. Once the connecting rods are added to each side of the material, you'll attach it to the frame using the provided springs. As we take a look at the screen close up, you'll notice that the material is not necessarily a matte finish, but actually a ambient light rejecting, rubberized specific coating. It's a very unique material, but it's very, very cool. As before, in this portion of the video, I'll now show you all of the different sample material, showing the lights on, showing the lights at 50%, and showing the lights off. I'll also do several shots of my camera panning so you can see what the surrounding looks like and how the screen reacts to that surrounding. And then lastly, I'll add a new portion, and that is going to be the viewing angle. I will do a roughly 45-degree viewing angle so you can get an idea for those that sit in your theater at a large angle position, how it looks to them. The Severtson Screen high contrast gray material is unlike any other. And what I mean by that is that when you have the slightest amount of ambient light, it really can throw off your image quality. Now, in most cases, you want your theater room or your home theater area, viewing area, to be as dark as possible to get that movie theater-like experience. But if you don't have that possibility, this is the screen to go for. You're still going to want a fairly nice projector to display an image uniform across the screen. But if you have that existing ambient light, this screen does a great job to keep the black levels at a very, very good level, along with making sure that your contrast shows how it should from the projector that you invested your money into. And on top of that, the ambient light rejection quality in this material really dissipates any type of stray light that might hit your screen and allows you to have that uniform picture in an environment that can't be 100% dark. I definitely recommend this screen, and I really, really like the way it performed. So check it out on their website. All right, everybody. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe. I'll have more content coming out soon. Once again, thank you, Severtson Screens, for sending me this nice material. I think it really does a great job. In fact, all of their stuff is something that I'd recommend. So head over to their website, severtsonscreens.com. Check it out, see if they have a product for you. And thanks again for joining me here on the Daingeon. I'll talk to you guys next time.